Hey guys, welcome back to the another exciting video. Today I will give you a complete walkthrough of our GeoPortal interface and its functionality. This web-based GIS application allows you to visualize and interact with geographical data of Pakistan, including country boundaries, province filters, and seasonal data layers. So let's jump right in. As soon as you open the Geo portal, you will see an interactive map of Pakistan, which is powered by Leaflet.js. So let's go over the key features on the right panel. So there is the boundaries section. So toggle button to show or hide the country and province boundaries, as you can see on the screen. So this is the country boundary and this is the province boundary. Now there is the province section, check boxes to filter and display specific provinces. For example, I will click on the Punjab, so it will on the Punjab layer and automatically zoom to that area. So I am selecting another province, third and fourth. So after this, there is an year and season section, drop down and checkbox to select year and seasonal data layers. So now let's see how this feature works. So click on the year 2023, click on the season Rabi. So there is I'm using the dummy data layer for the Rabi, and again I'm using the 24, so it will change. And in 2024 I'm using the Kharif, so this is the point data just for testing. You can use your own data layer as well. So now we can see the seasonal layer appearing on the map. If we uncheck them, so they disappear. So that's a complete walkthrough of our geo portal. We explored the interactive map boundary, toggle, province filtering, and seasonal data layers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GIS and web development content. See you in the next video.